Okay, so I have had a lot of questions today asking how do I get to such and such app? How do I get my child's password? I need my child's password. So it occurred to me that I did not explain this very well, so I'm going to go through this with you. And of course, it is the first day, so that's totally normal, totally to be expected. But I do want you to know that you already have all of the resources that you need. I've already sent those out, but if you need them again, I'll be happy to send them to you. So, the first document that we're going to look at is called Tech Support, and I posted this to the Class Dojo page. Now I have updated it, so I will be reposting it to the Class Dojo page. But this has the steps for accessing all of the different apps that your child may use within the coming weeks. Now, as of today, we're not using Pearson Science. As of today, we're not using ReadWorks. As of today, we're not using First in Math. But that doesn't mean that we might not use it in the coming weeks. So the main ones that you'll need to look at are Zearn Smarty Ants, BrainPop Junior, and Epic Books. So the last four are the main ones that we're going to be using. So it gives you a step-by-step in this tech support document for how to access those programs. Now, that may look a little different if you are working from an iPad versus working from a computer. If you're working from an iPad or from a computer, regardless, it is easiest to access the apps if you first go to the Bay District Schools Launchpad, okay? And so that's you can find that via the Bay District Schools page, or I can send you the link if you need that. But you should be able to get to Launchpad, and then once you're on Launchpad, you will go into the folder titled Digital Resources, and that is where you will find programs like Zearn, Smarty Ant, BrainPop Junior, and Epic. Now, the first time it may ask you to log into these programs, and that's when you're going to need your kid's username and their password. But once you are logged into those, as long as you do not log out, it should automatically open the next time you go to that program. So I'm going to take away this tech support document since we know about that, and I am going to show you where your child's passwords are. Now, you did not know this, but I sent this to you yesterday evening, and I didn't really explain it to you, but I'm going to explain it to you now. So you all should have gotten an email titled IEP goals, or it was a spreadsheet document named with your child's name. I'm just going to show you an example now. I'm not going to show you a particular child's, but this is what it will look like. Do not worry about this goals check-in sheet right now. That's going to be for later. I'm going to make a video. I'm going to call you on the phone. We're going to do this part together, but today we're not worried about it. Down here at the bottom, when you open your email, there will be a tab, and I'm typing it for you now, that will say Student Logins or Student Login Info. And this is where I have put all of your child's student login information in one place. So if you'll look over here, you'll see I have Smarty Ants and Launchpad login. I have my Zearn login. I have my Google email login. I have my Epic code login. And so those are all of the logins that you should need. Again, that is in an email that I sent you yesterday that is a spreadsheet with your child's name on it. When you open the spreadsheet, it will look like this. Do not worry about this right now. Click on the bottom where it says Student Login Info, and that is where all of your child's passwords will be. If you do not have a Google email, which I know that some parents do not, I can email it to your child's Google email address so that you can pull it up that way, or I can download this as a PDF and send it to you that way. If you need a copy of this, again, if you need me to resend this to your email, or if you would like it in a PDF format, I'll be happy to send that to you. I will also send you the tech support guide. It may be easier if you have access to a printer for you to just go ahead and print off the tech support guide if you know you're going to need a lot of tech support. If not, that will always be posted to our class story where you can find it. I hope that you found this somewhat helpful, but if not, just let me know. Again, I am here to support you in any way that I can. All right, hope everybody has a good afternoon.